Hey everyone, how you doing? Ryan here from Perth Air Repair. So I've got some Google reviews here. We've got Jason, awesome job by Ryan. Would recommend anyone looking for his services. Jason Carlo, wow, Ryan came in clutch, well priced and done an amazing job removing our old system and fixing all our broken tiles. I know who I'll be using next time. Thanks again. You're a champion. Excellent work and service from Ryan, on time and on budget, and went to extra lengths to get the job spot on. Highly recommended. Rosanna says, great company, a few 5 stars there. Mr. Hung Lu said, I was extremely happy and satisfied with the job done by Ryan and Travis. They were friendly, enthusiastic and professional. I definitely recommend Perth Air Repair. Thank you for a great job. Laris said, Ryan installed a new EVAT for us. I rang Tuesday. It was installed on Friday. Good price, excellent work, great communication. Frank, very good people and great service and trade and price. Very happy. Thank you for your quick fix up. Jamie, prompt service, professional and good prices, and so on. If you want results similar to this, give us a call or fill out the contact form. Thanks.